Hello friends, subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thank you. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Any omission or even the illegality in the procedure which does not affect the core of the case is not a ground for ordering a de novo trial. Stop. This is because the appellate court has plenary powers for reevaluating and reappraising the evidence and even to take additional evidence by the appellate court itself or to direct such additional evidence to be collected by the trial court. Stop. Para. But to replay the whole laborious exercise after erasing the bulky records relating to the earlier proceedings by bringing down all the persons to the court once again for repeating the whole depositions would be a sheer waste of time, energy, and costs unless there is miscarriage of justice otherwise. Stop. Para. Hence, the said course can be resorted to when it becomes unpreventable for the purpose of averting a failure of justice. Stop. Para. The superior court which orders a de novo trial cannot afford to overlook the realities and the serious impact on the pending cases in trial courts which are crammed with dockets and how much that order would inflict hardship on many innocent persons who once took all the trouble to reach the court and deposed their versions in the very same case. Stop. To them and the public, the reenactment of the whole labor might give the impression that law is more pedantic than pragmatic. Stop. Law is not an instrument to be used for inflicting sufferings on the people but for the process of justice dispensation. Stop. Para. This court had directed the retrial of the Best Bakery case where communal riots in the state of Gujarat had led to a massacre. Stop. The trial court had acquitted the accused and the appeal against it was dismissed by the High Court. Stop. Along with the appeal, the High Court also dismissed the petitions filed for adducing additional evidence and a direction seeking retrial. Stop. A two-judge bench observed this was a fit case for directing retrial in view of the nature of additional evidence sought to be adduced and the faulty manner in which the trial was conducted. Stop. Para. We are satisfied that it is a fit and proper case in the background of the nature of additional evidence sought to be adduced and the perfunctory manner of trial conducted on the basis of tainted investigation. A retrial is a must and essentially called for in order to save and preserve the justice delivery system unsullied and unscathed by vested interests. Stop. We should not be understood to have held that whenever additional evidence is accepted, retrial is necessary. Corollary. Stop. Para. The case on hand is without parallel and comparison to any of the cases where even such grievances were sought to be made. Stop. It stands on its own as an exemplary one, special of its kind, necessary to prevent its recurrence. Stop. It is normally for the appellate court to decide whether the adjudication itself, by taking into account the additional evidence, would be proper or it would be appropriate to direct a fresh trial, though on the facts of this case the direction for retrial becomes inevitable. Stop.